oven and cleaning it smarter instead of harder. Because you know, with the holidays coming, it's going to be kind of a mess. So the first thing I want to tell you is how to clean the oven if you don't want to use the self-cleaning feature. And I know a lot of you don't. What we're going to do is we're going to take a pan of water and we're going to bring it to a boil on the stove. Now, this one's not boiling just for the sake of TV time, but we're going to have it boiling. We're going to put into it a whole lemon or two. If you don't have lemons, you can certainly use lemon juice, and I would put in, maybe half a cup or so of that. Then all we're going to do is heat the oven to 350 degrees. Once it comes to temperature, we're going to take our pan and we're going to just put it in on the oven rack. Now, leave it in there with the oven set at 350 degrees for at least 30 minutes. And you might set a timer so you don't forget about it. When you go back, you should be able to easily wipe out everything that's in the oven. And if there's anything that's a little hard to wipe out, use a piece of fine steel wool. And when you use that, all you want to do is just rub lightly across it. And it will not damage anything. So you're going to leave it in again for at least 30 minutes with the oven on. And that steam is going to soften the food. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is one that is difficult. Even if you use your self-cleaning oven, the door never seems to get clean. Now, on this side of the tape, I cleaned this up yesterday. This side, not so much. And I'm ashamed to say it is my oven. And I want to say that I let it get this dirty just for you. So I'm going to take about a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to take a quarter cup of white vinegar, and then I'm going to put enough baking soda in my bowl just to kind of make a paste to go on there. And I want it to be a little thicker than that. There we go. Then this I'm just going to spread on. Now, you can just use a spoon or however you want to apply it, and you can make it thicker if you want to. And you're going to apply it all the way over the entire door. Now, you can use this also for cleaning inside the oven, but I love this because even if I'm using the self-cleaning oven, my door gets really nice and clean. Now, all I'm going to do is walk away and leave that for about 30 minutes to an hour. And when you come back, if you need to, you can moisten it a little more with just a squirt of hydrogen peroxide. Now, when you're ready to clean it, you're going to take a scraper. And this is one that I got from Amazon. I love because it's got plastic on one end, it's got the razor on the other. And you're going to start, and of course you will have left this on for at least 30 minutes or so. And you're going to start, and you're just going to slide it along and scrape up anything that needs to be scraped up. And you can see, even though I haven't let it sit, you can see the way it's already starting to work. The hydrogen peroxide is amazing. Then you can use a scrubber, or you can use just a piece of the fine steel wool. Then wipe it off, rinse it, and you're done. The oven is spotless and clean. And look at the one that I cleaned yesterday, and you saw how dirty this one was, and you can see it's already coming clean. So if you're looking for a printable copy, go to queenofclean.com. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Real Queen of Clean. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.